Talking about hobbies is a fantastic way to practice English and build confidence. Hobbies reflect our personalities and can spark engaging conversations. For instance, I love painting. It allows me to express my creativity and relax after a long day. When I talk about it, I can describe my favorite techniques, the colors I enjoy using, and even share stories about my art experiences. Another hobby of mine is hiking. It's not just about the exercise, it's about the breathtaking views and the sense of adventure. I can discuss the trails I've explored, the wildlife I've encountered, and the friends I've made along the way. When discussing hobbies, remember to ask questions too. This keeps the conversation flowing. You might ask someone about their favorite book or sport. Sharing and listening creates a connection, making it easier to practice your English. So, dive into your hobbies, share your passion, and watch your confidence soar.